Let's talk about business. Emotional strength and stamina are required to pass through the process of establishing a new company. Many people want to establish something, establish an organization. Many of you are running businesses. Many of you are doing teaching, want to promote yourself. We're all doing something or the other. And to do this, and especially to establish a new company, it requires a lot and lot of emotional strength and stamina. You must be able to handle the exasperation and the frustration that may confront you while achieving the target. Many times within me, there is so much frustration, there is so much exasperation. हम कोशिश करते हैं अपना टारगेट अचीव करने के लिए, लेकिन होता नहीं है तो चिंतित हो जाते हैं, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, इरिटेट हो जाते हैं. The founder of an organization is the driving force of the organization. Repeat. The founder of any organization is the actual driving force. For some people, their business is their yoga, karma yoga, and master loved businessmen. Why? Because businessmen give livelihood for so many people. जिंदगी देते हैं, रहने के लिए जगह देते हैं. बहुत और लोग जो उनके वर्कर्स हैं, उनसे जुड़े हुए हैं, उनके लिए पैसा मिलता है. द होल, इफ यू सपोर्ट इन योर बिजनेस 10 people you give salary, you are actually supporting 50 people. If you give salary for 100 people, you are supporting 500 people. Yes or no? Okay. So business is really something which is good to do, because you're going to be supporting a lot of people. And when you support people, they have a tendency to listen to you. Repeat. When you support people, they have a tendency to listen to you. They're ready to meditate. They're ready to forgive. They're ready to do something. For some people, their business is their yoga. Employers need to be hardworking, intelligently responsible, and have humanity. Now, this is about people who are employers, need to be hardworking. Okay. That means you need to push the business intelligently, responsibly, and show humanity towards others. बाकी लोगों के ऊपर थोड़ा तरस खाना पड़ेगा. हाँ? You have to show some kind of mercy. When you are in power, be careful. Do not be unnecessarily hard on people. Practice tolerance and patience. Show compassion. Do not use excessive force. जब आपके हाथ में ताकत है तो आप उसे गलत तरीके से नहीं इस्तेमाल करोगे. When you have force, power, do not use it on people to subjugate them, to dominate them, to enslave them. Show compassion, do not use force.